guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Boxing Day. We've come for a little run out today. We've come down to the Banc dairy just outside Denby, and we're going to show you around. We have done a little video here before, you might have seen on the written video, but brought it down again because there's some new additions. So guys, this is the new section, the little animal shed. You've got a couple of donkeys there, and just over there, little cows, little goat. So it's great to bring the kids down here. Let them have a little pet of the animals. And you've got the dairy cows just over this fence here. Actually, this is just on the Denby to Ruthin Road, Llwyn Banc Dairy. Something different to do. Little donkey. They're friendly, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
He just had his head right out, biting the lady's coat.
Come on, face this way. You're famous.
So we just noticed this one here, the white one, is called Milky, and the black one is called Munchy. So cute. So if you haven't got your own bottles, we have got it. We did have our own bottles with us, because we have been a few times. Yeah, you just pick a size bottle you want. Got two sizes. This is where you pay, it's all contactless. Again, there's a 5 drink and the flavours there. You can just get plain milk, mint chocolate, rhubarb and custard, the banana chocolate, strawberry and black cherry. All contactless. There's the prices for milk. £1.20, 70 pence, £2 and £1.20. So it's all touchscreen. Chocolate milkshake, small, £1.20. And £2 for the large one. It's quite reasonably priced, I think, for fresh milkshake straight from the vending machine. It's all done on site here as well. I say the cows that we've just shown you around the back, all done on site, all pasteurised on site, and spotlessly clean. Yeah, well worth a visit. Small strawberry. So you got to be careful, obviously. You get it bang on, otherwise there'll be milkshake everywhere. You can open the door if it's not straight.
Yeah. What is it?
She's winding you.
What's that?
It's finished. A bit like when you have to leave.
You having one here, so. Yeah. just do small strawberry and not do that. I don't bother with all that.
Do you want a shake?
So as well as the milkshakes, they've also got a hot drinks shed just here. They also have ice cream, but it's closed during the winter. So I'll just show you what they've got in here. It's all contactless. Okay. You've got lattes, espressos, cappuccinos, hot chocolate. Got tea. You have a mocha. Coffees are $2.70.
It smells gorgeous in here.
It does, smells really nice in here. You've got things in your vending machine there, muffins, cakes, some cheeses,
But the nicest.
sausages, bacon, some eggs there. It's all $5 right now. A menu there. There you go, guys. It's absolutely stunning where it is. It's on the main Denby to Riffin Road. You've got Riffin in that direction. You've got little benches to sit out there. Absolutely lovely today. It's about 10 degrees, but the sun's shining. It's absolutely beautiful. I say it's something different to do. If you're looking for somewhere to go, you want to get out for a couple of hours, have a run out, stop off here. Grab yourself a milkshake or a hot chocolate or a coffee. Like I say, in the summer, you've got the ice cream shed open as well. And so you've got a little bench there to sit. And it's open 365 days a year, this place. Never closes.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are
Okay guys, so we're done here. We got ourselves a couple of little milkshakes there and checked out the little goats and cows, really cute. But yeah, something to do if you want a little run out, like I say, get yourself down here. Right guys, well thanks for watching, take care of yourselves, enjoy the rest of your Christmas, I'll see you in the next one, bye.